traditional authority. So kunezinto ezangaphandle ezingenileyo. Amen. Traditional authority is dangerous. Niyazwisisa? Ubuhleli ngaphakathi uthi niyalandela njengamakhosi, bathi inkosi noma iyashaya noma akayishayi kumele silandele. That is traditional authority. Njengo King Mswati, even if he does not do service delivery, but abantu they've got to say siyalandela, that is our tradition. Abo baba bethu balandela, nathi kufanele ukuthi silandele. Traditional authority is dangerous. Somebody is going to give you something for you to follow. That is my King, Jesus. Amen.